Hey guys, we're back again, and today we're making some custom door handles for a friend of mine. He's got a pretty cool Volkswagen Caddy that's slammed to the ground. I've offered to make them for him, so let's get into it. So we're back at the machine. Normally this is where we jump into CAD and I show you what we're going to make, but this time I'm going to leave it as a surprise. We're starting with this big ass block of aluminium because it's what we had in the shed. We're going to put it in the machine and we're going to run the first operation. Let's put the stock in. So that's the first operation done. Now we just have to machine the top face, give this some shape, and engrave his logo on. This is Op 2 we're roughing out. Okay, that's Op 2. Check it out. So there it is, the finished thing. Let's polish it up and we'll take a quick look. So that's it, all done, with his custom engraving on there. I think we're looking pretty smart. All that's left now is to box them up.